Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to combine videos in Shotcut. It's very simple, just follow my steps. First thing you will need to do is to make sure you have two tracks, or at least two tracks on your timeline. So right click anywhere in your timeline, click on track operations and add video track. Now as you can see, you can do it as many times as you can, so let's say add another one. And now I will move this video upwards on track number 2. And on track number 1, I would want to add a different video. So go over to Finder and add your different video. Just drag and drop it. And now you can basically cut it however you would like. Just press S whenever your playhead is, then select everything that you want to be cutted out and Command X or Control X if you are on Windows. And this will delete this part of the video. Now in order to combine it, you will need to basically go over to this upper video and click on this plus icon, type in size, position and rotate, just click on that. And now as you can see, when I change size of this video and I can move it freely, I have my videos now combined. So when I play it back for you, as you can see, my videos are perfectly combined, as you can see. So you can really play with this. You can even crop this video. So let's say I would add another effect which is called crop, and I will choose crop rectangle. Now as you can see, when I crop it like so, it will basically crop in the video. So I want to make it a little bit vertical and only the balloon in, but your background will change to black, which you can easily manage with transparent. So click this transparent button and now we are back in the game. So as you can see, you can really play with this and combine videos however you would like them. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.